2 days last week, maybe 3, but I decided to go with blue and flat black, flat white, and turned out pretty nice. Had no major problems. Got a couple places that I didn't do good body work on, but nobody will ever see it but me. I've got to do the hood, which is next, and the trunk, and then the body will all be done. But I've been working in the garage today, putting the gauges in, and I've got the water temperature gauge in, going in the car. I've got the oil pressure gauge going in the car. This has got a pressure gauge as well as a light that will come on. So getting pretty far along. I've got to get a dipstick tube for it and a oil tube for it, and then the accessories, and I'll be done up here. Maybe crank it. I haven't had any problems with anything so far. Around here, I don't know if I've shown the wheel is current here yet.
All right.
But this, when I put the transmission in, come up here, it's set up a little bit high, and it was the floor, it was hitting the floor, so I had to cut it out, the floor out, and I built this, and it sits over the top of that, and then it'll rivet down, and if I ever need to take it out, I can take the rivets out. So I got that done. I've got all the wiring underneath cut loose. Can't decide where to put the gauges, whether to cut this whole thing out here, put them in here, or put them in here. I haven't decided. I'm leaning toward maybe cutting this out or just drilling the holes in it, put a piece and set them back in there. They are small gauges like this. This is the, I can't read it. I got it upside down. This is the fuel pressure, but I've got a whole set of them. This is the water temperature. So I'm getting closer here, and
So that'll be a good scatter shield, huh?
yeah, yeah, to come right through it and make shrapnel. But it's coming along. Real pleased. And here's another one. Just skin it up a little bit, but this paint is rustoleum, and this is rustoleum, the flat white. But I painted this with a brush, and it don't look a whole lot worse than this. So rustoleum for a cheap paint job, it cost me $20 for the paint for the bottom, $20 for the paint for the top.
Wow.
So I got $40 in the paint. And you can't even buy thinner at a paint store for $40. So,
Good.
yeah, this stuff, you can, I don't know, can you see my hand in
Yeah.
the wheel?
Oh, absolutely.
You know, and it's not been rubbed or polished or anything, so it doesn't look bad.
Yeah. Oh, it lays down pretty good.
Yes, it does.
I mean, it's neat.
Very pleased with it, and I didn't know until I went on the internet how many people paint cars with Rustoleum
Right.
because of the cost.
Right.
They got hundreds of people telling you how to paint Rustoleum.
Yeah. For a nice little dry car, it's good.
It's perfect. It'll look better than most of them.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
But I'm real pleased with it. It's coming right along, and
Yeah.
I should be done in about another 2 months.
Yeah. It's a neat looking car. I really like the car. I can't wait till it has some slicks in the back there, huh?
Yeah. Well, I started on this thing January 1st, and today's what, July the
We're at the 8th now.
July 8th. So I've got six half months in it, so that ain't bad.
Not too bad.
No.
Cool.
Yeah, come along.